First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Mehdi Hassan sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm also very nervous today because this is my first video.
Yes.
My name is Tahmina Yasmin, but you can call me Shorna. It's very short and sweet name and easy to remember.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are bright and shiny. We are also fit and fine. আজকে অফিশিয়ালি তাহমিনা আপুর প্রথম ভিডিও ক্লাস। সো সবাই দোয়া করবেন, একটু মানে নার্ভাসনেস থাকবে বাট ইনশাআল্লাহ ভালো হবে। Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your full name?
My full name is Tahmina Yasmin, but you can call me Shorna.
All right, Shorna, where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka Jatrawadi.
Okay, but where do you live?
I live in Mathoi, Bachamiya Road.
Okay, so Apu, how are you today?
I'm fit and fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fit and fine. How many members are there in your family?
I have 4 members in my family. My mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my husband and me.
Okay, nice family. Do you have any children, any kids?
No, I don't have any children.
Okay, what's your aim in life?
I want to go abroad for my higher studies.
MashaAllah. Okay, where are you studying?
I'm studying at Bangladesh Islam University in BBA 3rd year. I'm also a student of Mehdi's English Care.
Okay, Apu, now you are being requested to talk about yourself. Please talk about yourself.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I was born in Dhaka. I am 3rd year BBA student in Bangladesh Islam University. I'm also a student of Mehdi's English Care. I'm very passionate about business. Besides my studies, I also run a small business about related ladies fashion and clothing item. So I can say that I'm learning business in both inside and outside the classroom. It's a very beautiful journey. I get to use my creativity and learn new skills in real life. In free time, I enjoy traveling, trying new foods, and watching YouTube videos. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you everyone. এটা যেহেতু আপুর প্রথম ভিডিও ছিল, if she made any mistakes, please don't mind, please pardon her, and hopefully inshallah next ভিডিওতে আরো ভালো হবে। ভিডিও করার উদ্দেশ্য আমাদের একটাই, যাতে করে আমাদের লজ্জা ভয়টা কেটে যায়। এমনি কিন্তু পারে, খুব ভালো পারে, আমার সামনে পারে এবং নিজে নিজে পারে, বাট যখন আমরা ক্যামেরা ওপেন করি তখন একটু অন্যরকম লাগে, তাই না? সো এই অন্যরকম লাগাটাকে আমাদেরকে, এই উইকনেসটাকে আমাদের ইউনিকনেস বা একটা স্ট্রেংথ হিসেবে তৈরি করতে হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান ফর ওয়াচিং আওয়ার ভিডিও। থ্যাংক ইউ দিদেন।
Thank you.